Hey guys, in this video we'd go over how to prepare the artwork for upload on a Displate. So for example, I generated this Peter Pan, AI generated image, and I used the fantasy style. And make sure you keep the aspect ratio like, 5:12 for now. And we'll go ahead and edit this in Photoshop. I'll show you what to do. So let's look at some of the requirements. They need a high quality image in a JPG, PNG, WebP, or AVI format in a minimum size 2900 by 4060 pixels in a 1.4 by 1 ratio. Okay, now it needs to be 300 dpi or more in RGB mode. I'll show you how to do all this. Okay, let's look some of the other requirements they have for you to get approved. Look, we went over these. Best quality of details and background, sure. No frames. Now, you don't want to have frames like this in your image because, Displate does the framing as well. They offer that as an extra service. So you don't want to have these things going on, okay? Now, another thing is the text and important content needs to be at a correct distance from the edge, at least 200 pixels. Let me show you an example, like this one. This is what is acceptable, not this. Don't keep it at the complete edge. It will not get approved, okay? Now, don't use any filters that increase the quality of your image. And then if you're 100% sure and satisfied, you can go ahead and upload. Now, let me do an example. I'll go to Photoshop. You can use any image editing software, even Canva, right? Come here, click on File, click on New. And we'll use our settings to be, right, 2900 pixels wide by 4060 pixels high. Resolution, I like to keep it at a good 72 pixels per inch. Color mode, RGB color, 8-bit. That's okay. Now, I come back, I get my image, for example, this one right here. And then come get the image once it's downloaded, right? And then I drag it to Photoshop like this. And then all you need to do, guys, is hold Shift, okay? So that you maintaining the aspect ratio. Hold Shift, increase the size a little bit more. So try as much as possible to increase it while holding Shift so you can maintain as much of the quality as possible. You don't want to distort that image. Okay, let me undo right there. And we're almost there. But if you want to go ahead and distort it, it's up to you. But I prefer not to distort my images like this, right? So let me go ahead and finish doing that. All right, so I went ahead and fixed everything. And now it looks perfectly fine. I can press OK right here and look at that image quality, guys, okay? Now, all you need to do is click on File, click on Save As, and we will go ahead and choose PNG. Let's name this Peter Pan. We'll name this one Peter Pan. We're going to go ahead and save that. And then let's wait for it to be done saving. So I need to choose the compression to be the smallest. And then we wait for it to be done saving right there. All right, and then you just come here, just drag and drop it, and I'll show you that it actually got accepted and it meets the requirements. As you can see, we have green check marks, and I can go ahead with the uploading process. Really that easy and simple.